As somebody that actually has not tried a lot of diffusers, I was so excited when Seven Aromas offered to send me this in exchange for my honest review. And I have to say, I'm hooked. I love this. So many great features. So first of all, this is the white. It comes in white or black. I like white because you actually have the option to mount this to your wall if you would like. And since I have white walls, I love that it's just going to blend in and not stand out quite as much. When you open it, you're going to get your plug that comes with it, an extra cap in there, and then your hardware, as well as a wall mount. So like I said, you can go ahead and mount this to your wall if you're wanting to do that, or it has little feet on it if you're wanting just to keep it on your counter. So either way, you have great options. So to use this, it comes with this also this little key, and you'll put this in, and that's going to lock it and unlock it. And then it has this open latch right here that you will open this up, and then this is where your scent goes. So they were kind enough to send me 2 scents. They have a lot of their own special scents, and they sent me Hotel Diamond and Mayfair. And I have to tell you, so I was opening these and going through them, and I'm obsessed with these. I don't know how to explain how they smell other than to say it's just elevated. And it's something that I haven't smelled before. Like I can't say, oh, it smells like clean clothes and fresh linen or lavender. It just smells elevated, which for me, I want that. Like I want somebody to walk into my space in my house and be like, what is that? Like not somewhere they can get it everywhere. You know, it's something that's going to feel really unique to you and your space. So I'm obsessed with it. So first I ended up putting Mayfair in here. It just is really like light and clean smelling. It really is just kind of like this fresh smell to it. And then this one, I keep calling it White Diamond, Hotel Diamond, is more of, it smells really yummy too. I like both of them a lot. This one has a little bit more of like a perfumey side to it. Not strong, like it's not overpowering, but I would say between the two, like that Wayfair is like a little bit more light and fresh, and this one has a little bit more of like a perfume smell. So they're both delicious. I love them both. So this was the full bottle. I just went ahead and dumped it in there. So that's all you do. You'll unscrew this, and they have a lot of different scents as well as sizes. So you can fit up to 400 milliliters or 12 ounces within this bottle. So if you are needing just a giant one, you can go ahead and do that. But for my house, I think that this size is great. So you'll go ahead and pour that in here. So it's waterless. You don't have to add anything to it, or flameless. You'll just fill this up, and then this part is the part that goes right here in the back. And then you'll close that back up and lock it, and then plug it in. So you can hear it start. It has like this little kind of like deep humming, buzzing sound to it as it's going. So what's also really cool about this is it's also Bluetooth controlled. So not only is it just going to work, you have your options and you have control over how you use it. You download the app and it's going to work for an Android or an iOS system, and it has 20 infusions intensities on that, so you have control over that, as well as 5 custom schedules. So you really can have some control over the usage of it, which is also so nice. So it's not just like burning through it. You have control over how you're wanting it to go and work. It's pet and child safe, and again, can easily mount to your wall or just sit there, and it covers up to 2,000 square feet. So this one machine will give you that scent up to about 2,000 square feet. So I think that this is such a fun find and so unique. And again, I love that you can kind of just set it and forget it and put it out of the way, and then again have your control on the phone. So a lot of great features with this. Super great company. I'm hooked. I think that this is a great product, and you should for sure check it out.